Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today let's make a poached egg. First of all, put your water, put it to a boil. After boiling, then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the boiling water, and then you just give it a good stir so that you can create some vortex. This will help the egg not to split around. After that, take your careful cracked egg in a bowl and careful place it at the middle of your pan or your saucepan. After that, leave it to a boil. This will just take a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes in the boiling water. Make sure your water is boiling at a good temperature. This is a quick way of cooking, poaching your egg. So that you just make sure that the egg white is not split around. So just cover the egg yolk with it. After 1 minute, the egg will be done and ready to be served. In the end of this video, I will explain the do and the don'ts of how to poach your egg. And the 2 minutes are over. Now we take our poached egg out, drain it, and serve it, ready to serve. Make sure that whenever you serve your poached egg, make sure you don't overcook your egg yolk. And that's it. It's ready. We just put some garnish of dill. Then we put our hollandaise sauce. Looks delicious, nice. And here you have your poached egg, and there's another version. That's a version of a egg benedict. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, please feel free to subscribe and don't forget to share, comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
The do and don'ts of a poached egg.